have here crepe paper in golden color, and we are going to use this to make the curtain. We'll open it up and take the length that we desire to take. I'm going to use 1 meter. You can use longer if you want. After taking the desired length, we'll turn over the crepe paper for the back side. We'll first go to this edge, and here we'll fold this over on 1 centimeter. After having done so, we'll take double-sided tape. We'll open this up and put it for inside. Now turn this paper over again and paste the paper like this. Take 2 small pieces of tape, and on both edges use the tape, paste it half for this side, and turn it over and paste it for the other side, and do the same on this side as well. Paste the tape half for this side and turn it over and paste the other side for the back side. After we have done so, we'll open up the crepe paper, hold this edge here, and bring this edge till here. Fold the crepe paper over like this. Turn this over like this. And note, we are not turning anything for this piece. We'll leave this piece empty. We will not turn and put any crepe paper here. And we will turn this crepe paper again. Now we will take scissors and we will make cuts in this. After each ½ centimeter, we will make cuts, but we will not cut till the end. We will only cut till here. We will leave this piece uncut. And like this, we are going to make cuts after each ½ centimeter throughout this crepe paper. After making the cuts, we'll loose this up. And open it up like this. Do the same with other pieces if you want to make your curtain more big for the backdrop. And simply paste the party curtain wherever you wish to paste it on the wall. Keep the length according to your choice. I've done this to demonstrate and show you how you can make this curtain at home. You can make this curtain longer, more big in pieces to cover a larger area. You can make it as you wish very easily at home. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like the DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe. And to check all the other decorations on my channel, I have many other party decoration ideas which you can find nowhere else. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.